Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women crochet neck warmer designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see. New designs, new ideas for stylish ladies. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet neck warmer designs, beautiful designing ideas for stylish ladies. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crochet neck warmers. Top designer ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crochet neck warmers. Most beautiful, most trendy woman crochet neck warmer designs. Winter season clothes. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet neck warmers, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, ebiwa.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video.